Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to report your Chime debit card as stolen. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and report your card as stolen, so therefore you need to go ahead and replace it. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Chime app. Next, go ahead and click on Profile on the bottom right hand corner. Then click on Cards, Manage Virtual and Physical Cards. Then go ahead and scroll down and then click on Replace Card. So on this page here, you can select what happened to your card. So simply click on Card Stolen, and then you'll be able to go ahead and receive a new card. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.